Hi, I'm Katherine Tan, instructor for the Great Lakes Seminars course, Manual Therapy Treatment of the Temporomandibular Joint. If you're like most therapists, you most likely graduated school with very little, if any, education on the TMJ, and you may not feel comfortable treating patients with jaw pain. But in a lot of ways, the jaw is very similar to other regions of the body that you treat. So many people suffer from jaw pain, headaches, and neck pain, and may not be getting adequate care. This 2-day course will prepare you and give you the skills you need to effectively and confidently evaluate and treat patients with TMD. The first half of Saturday is lecture. We start off talking about the anatomy and biomechanics of the jaw, and that really sets the foundation for the rest of the weekend. We talk about the anatomy of the cervical spine and appreciate the interrelationship between the neck and the jaw. We go through specific questions that are important to include in your subjective examination to make sure that you get all the information and very specific questions for this region of the body. We'll also teach you how to measure the range of motion of the jaw so that you can not only identify restrictions, but also quantify progress as your patient goes through therapy. Then we move into a day and a half of lab. So we have a lot of time to really practice all the hands-on skills, and really hone your skills so you feel confident when you get back into the clinic. We really focus on soft tissue mobilization and joint mobilization techniques of the TMD of the jaw, including intraoral techniques. We also do some soft tissue mobilization and muscle energy techniques for the cervical spine and appreciate how important it is to treat the neck in order to effect a change in patients with headaches and jaw pain. We spent some time discussing clinical cases and practical considerations that come up when treating patients with TMD. What I love most about teaching this course is seeing a whole group of physical therapists not only gain the skills and expertise for treating this group of patients, but also the enthusiasm for going out and helping a whole new population. We look forward to seeing you at one of our upcoming TMJ courses.